The Online Safety Act Bill of 2025 has been completely disastrous. I'm going to show you in this video, if you're a UK citizen or anybody else in the whole world, how to circumvent age verification and to be able to access different free speech platforms like X. Why I'm doing this is because this is not my usual type of video, but I have studied cybersecurity and I am a free speech advocate, and that is why I must do this type of video. So what is the UK Online Safety Act of 2025? The Online Safety Act, which came into practical force in March and July 2025, is now commonly referred to the UK's blah blah blah. It mandates proactive protections against illegal content and content harmful to children, enforced by Ofcom, the UK communications regulator. So what this is essentially what the bill says it does is it protects children and verifies people's age so that children cannot access content that is harmful to them, like gore videos, videos of people dying or other dangerous material in their opinion. So what this does is, well, what's getting enforced? So fines of up to 18 million pounds or 10% of global turnover to companies that do not follow these rules. Orders to third parties, for example payment providers, to cut services to non-compliant providers. So let's say you are a paid forum site and you do not comply with ID verification. Well, you're going to get fined, or the third party that handles your payments is going to cut your services. There's also a lot of other stuff, like for example, like you have to put in your age verification to access YouTube, to access Reddit, to access X or Twitter. You have to do that for all other forums and so on. So critiques cite the risk to privacy, free speech, and overly broad censorship, which is the actual thing that's happening right now. Privacy concerns focus on ID and biometric data being handled by third-party services subject to data retention laws. So the companies that are handling the ID verification are not public companies. They are private companies, data brokers, that then sell off that information to other people. And let me tell you, no company, even a ID verification company, is not safe from any hacks. I have studied cybersecurity. Almost nobody. There's not a single unhackable machine in the world. A petition to repeal the act together, blah blah blah. Yeah. Child protection must take priority over political free speech arguments. It's completely dumb. It's completely dumb. First of all, the rules don't protect children because it's so easy to circumvent, and children are much better than the boomer people that are creating these stupid laws. I learned how to use a VPN at 10 years old. It's not difficult. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use a VPN that is actually good, private, anonymous. You're going to use Molvad VPN. This is a VPN it is for sure the best one on the ClearNet. So if you don't want to go to the dark web, this is the best VPN out there. It's not an affiliate code. I don't have an affiliate code. It's $5 per month forever. It doesn't matter how many months you pay in advance. It doesn't matter. So what you do is you go here, you create an account number. You get one of these. You log in with the account number that you got, and then you can add time to your account. So do you see here that you don't have to use an email, no phone number, nothing. You can send in vouchers, you can send in cash via mail to them with your account code. You can pay with Monero, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Lightning. You can pay with debit or credit card, which I wouldn't recommend if you're worried about censorship and none of these other things. The best one is Monero or Cash. Those are completely anonymous. Once you have an account, you can just click on this little icon down here. You have to download the app as well. And you can select whichever location you want. There are tons of locations. And why you want to do this is you want to go to a country like Sweden, for example, where there's no control on free speech. And just to make sure it works, go to instant IP address lookup or some site like this, my IP, and yeah, I'm in Stockholm. So just like on the VPN. Why are you going to use a VPN? VPNs are not private, they are more anonymizing. And why Mulvad VPN is good is that they have a no logs policy. Because VPNs like NordVPN and other VPNs, they might be located in a country under the 5 Eyes or 14 Eyes or 7 Eyes organization, or which is basically that the US, New Zealand, Australia, the UK, and some other countries, and Canada of course, are working together to gather as much data on their citizens as possible. And if the VPN company is based in that country, the government can basically go out and take all the logs and the information about the customers if they want to. Why Mulvad VPN is good is that it has a no logs policy. In Sweden, the government has done a raid on Mulvad VPN, but they have no logs. They don't even have an email. You don't have to sign up with a phone number. There is no information on you. Your location that you connect from through the VPN is not logged either, so there's no way for anybody to track you. This is the only way currently to circumvent the age verification. And it's like, let's say you're a free speech advocate. Let's say you protest against illegal migration in the UK, which is very criticized. You're not going to be able to post things because you'll be deleted for hate speech or whatever. And especially if you have your ID connected to that account, you're going to get completely fucked. The police might show up at your door. So UK has basically turned into almost 1984 at this point. And I hope they will get back their country and stop this online censorship nonsense. This is spreading to multiple English-speaking countries like Australia, I think as well Canada. And I'm just hoping that they will not go through with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to Mulvad VPN is in the description. There's no affiliate code. I don't have affiliates. If you want to support me and help me on my mission, subscribe to the channel, like the video. This is an unusual video, but if you stay to the end, I'm happy. Peace out.